Wow, it's very windy out here today, but we're gonna be cooking 5 pounds of tomahawk steaks, 2.5 pounds each. We're gonna throw those bad boys on the grill right now. What I like about tomahawks is that once you grab the bone and you flip them around, you can tell the weight. This thing is heavy. This other one here is massive. So you can definitely tell you are dealing with some serious steak. This one has a slightly smaller cap. It's still beautiful, but this one has a nice, huge cap. So this thing is gonna taste great. We're gonna be using a barbecue salt, so we're gonna measure it, let it sit, and then bring it to the grill. So we're gonna measure our steaks to figure out for how long we're gonna let it sit. Here it's showing about 25 minutes, so we're gonna salt and let it sit for 25 minutes. We're using a barbecue salt, and we're gonna use a generous layer. Make sure it's completely covered on both sides, including the sides, and let it sit for the indicated time. Since this is a very massive steak, I want to make sure that I'm covering all sides to have it perfectly flavored. We had our tomahawk sitting for 30 minutes, so now it's time to bring it to the grill. We're gonna cook it for 2 minutes on each side before we remove the barbecue salt. I didn't notice that one of the tomahawk steaks is much thicker, so what I'm doing is I'm keeping it in the back to be more protected from the wind, since I'm cooking with the grill open. So I wanted to cook more even. Not completely even. I do like the middle to be more pink and closer to rare, and the outside should be with a nice crust. So that's what we're doing. We are having the thicker one on the back and the thinner one at the front. So we completely removed the salt. He brought it back to the grill. We have it on the grill for about 3-4 minutes maybe. We want to get that perfect crust while it's still rare to medium rare on the inside. We don't want to overcook. Maybe this one is almost close to medium. We definitely don't want that. It's just a thicker steak, so that could happen. But we are probably done.
Oh man, look how tender this came out. So tender, it's ridiculous. Wow. Oh, I love this so much. That's awesome. So look at how this came out. Exactly how we wanted it. Way more rare on the inside. We love this. The combination of crusty on the outside, pretty well cooked on the corners, but still rare, almost to the medium rare, a little undercooked on the inside. We absolutely love that. Let's cut that again to see what we're talking about. Exactly that. Perfect, beautiful, pink line on the inside, well cooked still on the outside, nice crust, and amazing, tender and juicy. And this is our final result. So, time of the truth. Visually, it came exactly how we wanted. We wanted crusty on the outside, we wanted it pinky and juicy, tender. We definitely didn't want to overcook this. So visually, it's looking amazing, and now we're gonna try it. Look at this. I love to see a steak bouncing like this. This is amazing. So let's try this. Oh man. Perfect. I wouldn't change anything. Sometimes I cook and I was like, okay, I overcooked a little bit, or that could have happened. Fortunately today, this came out perfect. Juicy, tender, and amazing flavor.